Hey, how's it going everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joshua McDonald, and today I'm going to give you my point of view impressions on the 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 HD AT4X AEV edition. In this video, we're going to be taking a quick look at all the features on this vehicle and taking it for an in-depth test drive. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe down below to see more car content, and leave me a comment when you get all of that done so I can respond to you. But without further ado, let's take a look at everything on this truck. So, like I said, this is the 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 HD AT4X AEV. So the AEV package is a $9,395 option that lets you get these steel front bumpers, steel back bumpers. You also have the skid plates underneath. You also do have the AEV wheels. These are wrapped in Goodyear Wrangler tires, and on the AT4X, you're gonna have the Multimatic suspension on the front and back. So for the motor, we have a Duramax 6.6 liter paired to a 10-speed Allison transmission. This is going to give you 445 horsepower and 910 foot-pounds of torque. Towing capacity on this vehicle is going to be 18,500 pounds. You'll also see we have a spray-in bed liner with our gooseneck. Moving to the back, we also do have this pretty cool multi-pro tailgate. So you can flip this down just like that and turn this back area into a step so you can get up into the bed. So just like that, I'm in the bed. Let's go ahead and put everything back and get back down. This one also has the really cool Kicker audio system. As you can see there, you can hook up your phone with Bluetooth or USB and play music out the back. You also do have these really cool cup holders. But let's put everything back just like that. So for the AEV edition, you're going to have this blacked out surround on the multi-pro tailgate. You're going to have this back steel bumper. You can see all of your towing hookups, everything like that back here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back seats. So we have automatic running boards, really cool details on the doors as well. We have this red stitching with the white piping. Tons of room back here. We have heated seats back here, full suede / Alcantara headliner. Really nice back seat area. But let's go ahead and hop up front and get this baby on the road. So all I have to do is put my foot on the brake, hit the start button, and she comes to life. Let's go ahead and toggle through the screen, stay in demo mode, and we'll put her in drive. So with the Multimatic suspension on this vehicle, it gives it a very smooth ride. You also do have a couple different drive modes. This one has off-road and normal. For today's video, we're going to be on the road, so we're just going to stay in normal mode. Let's go ahead and get out of the parking lot up here. You'd be surprised how good the turning radius is on these 2500s. They're really not that bad compared to the 1500s. It is a little bit wider, but you would be really surprised if you drove one of these. Now, like I said before, specs on this vehicle are 445 horsepower and 910 foot-pounds of torque. You definitely feel all of that torque right off of the line. We'll go ahead and get out of here and give it some acceleration just so we can see how it really feels. This also does come equipped with some really nice safety features. I have blind spot monitoring in the mirrors. I have forward collision assist, lane keep assist, all that good stuff in this vehicle. We also do have front and back parking sensors and a 360 camera system, so I can see all the way around me, in front of me, behind me at all times. But we'll take her right up here and we'll give her some gas. Or some diesel, as I should say. So tons of power, great acceleration. No complaints there whatsoever. So I'm gonna go on these back roads here. I'm going about 25 right now. We'll go on the back roads, take it nice and slow around some curves, and then we'll head on the highway and see how she does on the highway. Now, I know if you guys are buying this vehicle, a lot of you guys are mainly gonna be driving this on the highway or using it mainly for off-road use, or maybe a little bit of towing. great power in this vehicle. It's nice and smooth down the road. No complaints there whatsoever. We also do have a really nice interior on this vehicle. I have heated seats, cooled seats. These seats are even massaging. So while you're driving down the road, you can hit the switch on the side of the seats and your massage menu will come right up here. There's a few different modes that you can do, but that is a really cool feature if you're on a long drive and you're just tired after a long day. It feels nice and smooth around the corners. The lane keep assist is keeping me in my lane. I really don't have to move the steering wheel too much. It pretty much does everything for me. Now, I really wish I could do a towing test in this vehicle, but I don't have a trailer and this isn't my vehicle, so I really don't want to mess anything up. But hopefully in the future I can do some towing tests on these 2500s because that's mainly what people use them for. We'll take it right up here. We'll give it some more gas. Let's get to a dead stop real quick and we'll go 0 to 60. So spun the tires a little bit right there. They are wrapped in Goodyear Wrangler tires. So not the best for grip, but they're very good off-road. You sit up nice and high in this vehicle. Really gives you a great feeling of power because you feel like you're just above everybody in this freaking monster truck. But right up here, we're gonna head up on the highway. I'll turn the cruise control on and we'll just go for a quick little ride up there. There's a Ford right there. That's the competition for this vehicle. Looks like that one has the 6.7 liter power stroke. Hopefully he doesn't want to race me at this light. That would be pretty funny. I don't know if the Ford has more power or not. Let me know in the comments down below. Does that 6.7 liter power stroke have more power than this? I'm not sure. But on the AT4X, we're going to have a lot of features in this vehicle for off-road use. So we have a rear locking differential, we have hill descent, we have the fart button, so if we hit that, all the windows will roll down at one time. The infotainment screen is really nice. We have Google Maps right here in the center. Same thing that you use on your phone. GM is transitioning away from Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You still have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on this vehicle, but next year they're getting rid of it completely. You'll see it in some of the vehicles, like most of the EVs, they've already gotten rid of it. But I really don't miss it. You know, you have everything in one place on your screen. You can have your Spotify, Google Maps, you can download everything you want on the marketplace, which is really nice. You also do have a heads-up display on this vehicle, so you can see all your vehicle information right here in the windshield, which is really nice. But we'll get up here on the highway and we'll turn that cruise control on. Going down some bumpy roads right now, I definitely feel it. But this truck is so heavy, it's kind of impossible to soak up all of the bumps, but this suspension is very smooth. Now merging over to the lane, my seat just vibrated to let me know that I was transitioning out of my lane. I didn't have my turn signal on at the time, so that's a nice safety feature, just so you know if you're getting out the lane or not. But we'll go ahead and set the cruise control at 66. I have adaptive cruise control in this vehicle, so it'll keep a 3-car distance in front of me from the vehicle in front. We can also turn that down with this button right here, so you can have a 3-car, 2-car, or 1-car length. I prefer the 1-car length because 3-car lengths is way too much on this vehicle. When you put it on 3, you're really like 6 or 7 car lengths away from the vehicle in front of you. But nice and smooth on the highway. Yeah, wouldn't be bad on a long trip at all. So let's go ahead and merge off. So I really like how this thing drives. It's nice and smooth when I'm driving it. It soaks up all of the bumps very well. It doesn't feel like a humongous heavy truck. So I'm honestly a very big fan of this truck. We'll go ahead and park this thing back at the dealership. We'll take a look at the window sticker so you guys know how much it costs. So we are back at the dealership. Let's go ahead and hop out and take a look at the window sticker. So this is the 2024 2500 HD 4-wheel drive crew cab AT4X. The color on this one is Thunderstorm Gray with the Obsidian Rush interior. We have that 6.6 liter turbo diesel motor with the Allison 10-speed transmission. Base price of the AT4X is going to be $82,800. The Duramax is going to cost you $9,490. AT4X AEV edition is going to cost you $9,395. And we also have the gooseneck package, Thunderstorm Gray, multi-pro tailgate, and the cargo tie downs. So with the $1,995 destination charge, total vehicle price comes out to $105,060. So over $105,000 for this vehicle. But that's pretty much it for today's video. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure you guys leave a like on this video. Subscribe down below for more car content. Also, if you guys do both of those things, leave a comment and let me know so I can respond to all of them. If you guys want the best deal on any new or pre-owned vehicle, check out the links in the description or in the pinned comment to get the absolute best deal on any vehicle. I appreciate you guys watching very much, and I'll see you guys next time.